I'm here at RE Plus, and I'm joined by Gary Lamb, the CEO of Franklin, one of the fastest growing battery companies here in the US. So Gary, what's going on this year with you guys?
We have introduced US productions compliant with domestic content, now making out of Santa Clara, California.
I hear you have some new products that are making some waves. Why don't you tell us a little bit about that?
So the biggest launch this year is the aPower S with the PV integrations. That means you could connect direct PV into the battery as an all-in-one unit. Now installer can install the job faster, more efficient, and homeowner also benefit from a higher efficiency.
What about EVs? We've been hearing a lot about vehicle to load and vehicle to grid. How does Franklin come into the picture there?
So we have taken a completely different approach than anyone else in the market. We allow any EV to output power from their designated AC power port and power the home. Right? You don't need to spend additional $6,000–$7,000 to put a state-of-the-art bidirectional charger, where Franklin system with an existing infrastructure connects your EV seamlessly with the home.
And I just heard that over the last couple of years, you've gone and become one of the top 3 leading battery manufacturers here in the US. So what's been the secret to all that success?
The reason for choosing us because we are the manufacturer that designed for the real world, really what homeowner need and really exactly what installer needs. And we answer the service call in minutes, not in hours. Yes, we got your back. Fewer components to install, happier customer and stronger business.